Hi, thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon at the Coronado Public Library. I'm Jacqueline, your Adult Services Librarian, and for this week we'll be making air plant geodes. Let's get started. In your kit, you should have an air plant and a geode. In addition to these, you're going to need an old sock and a hammer, as well as some hot glue. To get started, take your geode, stick it in that old sock, place it on a hammer-safe surface, and you're just going to hammer it once to break it open. So now you can see we have all of these geode pieces. Once your geode is broken up nicely, go ahead and take it out of the sock carefully and reserve your bigger pieces. Go ahead and grab your air plant and play around with how you want to glue your air plant onto your geode. And these other smaller pieces, you can go ahead and glue around it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hot glue over here. Just stick some hot glue on the bottom here. And I'm going to glue my air plant in place. I also have some room for a few other geodes pieces, so I'm just going to go ahead and re-put my little pieces around. All right. Once you're all set, you're ready to enjoy your air plant wherever you'd like to have it. Make sure you water your air plant by submerging it in water periodically, at least once a week, and misting it to keep it healthy and happy. Thanks so much for joining us for this week's Crafternoon. Have a wonderful day.